Fasten all arm locks securely to prevent potential safety risks. Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back at a safe distance. Takeoff.